The DoStudio Encoder uses templates to determine the encoding parameters for your video. You must apply a template to your source video before you can encode it. DSE comes with several predefined templates organized by type: primary video, secondary video, and title templates. Selecting a template displays the encoding parameters in the control panel. You can select either constant bitrate or variable bitrate. You can use the slider bars to adjust your desired bitrate. For constant bitrate encodes, you simply select a target bitrate. For variable bitrate encodes, you select both the target or average bitrate and the maximum bitrate. The DoStudio Encoder limits you to a maximum of 38 megabits per second to ensure compatibility on all Blu-ray players. The encoder manages your buffer size and keyframe interval automatically to maintain Blu-ray compliance. Primary video templates define your encoding parameters for primary video streams. DSE provides 3 primary video templates by default. The templates are variable bitrate and contain settings based upon whether you'll be using secondary video or high bandwidth audio such as Dolby True HD. Secondary video templates define your encoding parameters for secondary video streams. The Blu-ray spec limits the bit rate of secondary video to 7.6 megabits per second, so your secondary video template will not allow you to exceed the legal limits for Blu-ray. The secondary video templates contain settings based upon the number of picture-in-picture tracks you'll have in your project and whether you'll be including a secondary audio track. Title templates are unique to DSE. A title template defines encoding settings for both primary and secondary video in a single template. Title templates are intended to help you efficiently encode complex Blu-ray discs while avoiding bitrate and buffer overrun errors. Title templates have been created to maximize video quality while managing the bit rates of both the primary and secondary video tracks so that they stay within the legal limits of the Blu-ray spec. You can create your own custom templates in 2 ways. You can duplicate an existing template and edit the encoding parameters. Or you can add a new template and edit the parameters from scratch. To apply an encoding template, simply drag the desired template from the template window at the bottom of the screen onto your source video file contained in the titles list. You'll see the template listed in the titles list underneath the source file it is applied to. Click on the template to see its properties in the control panel. You can make adjustments to the encoding parameters for that video stream after you have applied the template.